Hello dears, I'm going to teach you today how to make the number 8 in my number series. Hope you can see. So let's begin. I'm using a 4-ply yarn, blue, and a 3 mm hook. So I made one 8 today morning to show you how it's done. So let's begin with 36 chains. Make a slip knot. And make 36 chains. I'm back with 36 chains. As you can see, I made 36 chains, and now we'll get into the next chain here and make a double crochet. Make one double crochet and then 2 double crochet in the same chain. Two double crochets in the same chain, and into the next 10 chains we are going to make 2 double crochets in each of the chain. Next 10 chains we are going to make 2 double crochets in each chain. 1, 2. So I'll meet you after I complete the 10th chain with 2 double crochets. So I'm back with 2 double crochets in 10 chains. So I'll be having 20 double crochets. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now in the next 4 chains, into the next 4 chains, I'm going to make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you see it curling up. It will turn into an 8 once we complete making the whole thing. Look like this portion here. Now into the next remaining chains we are going to make 2 double crochets together, 2 together. So I'll show you how to make. Two double crochets, 2 together. This is the 1 double crochet, come through 2, stop. Second double crochet, come through 2, stop, and then come through all 3 loops. This is called 2 double crochets together. So let's do it again. Insert your hook into the chain, pull up a loop, pull up 2 and stop. Again yarn over, get into the chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and stop, and remaining 3 chains we are going to pull through together. This is 2 double crochets together, 2 together. Again yarn over, go into the chain, pull through 2, stop, then yarn over, go into the next chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through all 3 and stop. This is 2 double crochets, 2 together. Again continue till the last chain. Again one more time, continue doing 2 double crochets together. Go yarn over, get into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through 2 chains, again yarn over, go into the next chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and stop, and then yarn over and pull through 3. Again that's the last one, so just make a double crochet there, and then we make 2 chains and then cut it and fasten off. So I am showing you the way, not directly into the, I am not using a crochet needle to join this, I am just using a needle to join the number 8 sides of this. So I am using a tapestry needle and the blue thread to stitch these 2 sides, so it looks like an 8 figure of 8. So we'll stitch it here. Hope you can see. I'm using the technique of stitching, not crocheting, to stitch this number 8. We are almost done with this part of the number 8. Now we'll stitch this portion, so we can just go across here and come through this place. Yeah, we're across, and then we just stitch the part of 8 here, this part here, then get into this stitch and then stitch it, and you will get, and then you will get an 8 figure, which you can already see being stitched up. So we are done with number 8. You just cut the threads wherever they are jutting out. Or you can just sew it in, weave it in, whatever you prefer to do. So here we are done. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video, which will be the Christmas series, where I'll be making a star. Also some motifs for Christmas. So let's meet up in the next week. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe, share, like and comment, please.